In this video, we will learn how to use the AI to build a discussion board. In Unit 3, I need a discussion board to accompany my assignment. I'm first going to hover over my assignment and click on it. Then I will click on Create, and I will head straight to where I see Discussion. When I'm in this area of my discussion, what I'm going to do is I'm going to skip all my initial steps and I'm going to head straight to this black button that says Auto Generate Discussion, and I will click on it. When I am in here, there's a few things I can do. I can either type in a description of what I want, or I can come down here and click this button that says Select Course Items. When I do so, I will go to my content folder. I will go straight to Unit 3, and I will go to my Learning Materials folder and select my reading materials. And I will click Select Items. This will allow the AI to read that chapter and then build a discussion based on the key learning points. Down here where it says desired cognitive level, when you click on Inspire Me, this is the type of question you want students to work on and applying, so application of the material, analyzing the material, evaluating the material, or creating. Inspire Me does a random choice that the AI selects. Then complexity is based on Bloom's taxonomy, and you can have it at its highest or its lowest point, but I will leave it at the middle. Then be sure to have this box checked off next to Generate Discussion Title so that you get a title that's generated specifically for this discussion. And then when you are ready, click on Generate. When you see this button here in the middle, that simply means that the AI is thinking and generating a discussion board for you. Please give it a few moments as it's not always instantaneous. Then when you're done, you can read through each of them, and on the bottom, it will tell you what type of question you have. I'm going to select this question here, and then I'm going to click on Add. When I am done, you'll notice here my question title and my question. Please be sure to hit Save. Then you are done creating the AI discussion question.